Good day and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little smiley face coaster, and my eyes for some reason came out looking a bit scary, but we are going to make this. So grab a hook, your yarn hook, some yellow yarn, some black, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. And let's make this smiley face. For this project, for the smiley face, you're going to start by making a magic ring. If you don't know any of the stitches I'm using today, which is only about 3 or 4 if I'm not mistaken, please check on my channel. I have a playlist called Best Beginners Basics, and it's a guide to every stitch that will be used in this pattern. So once you have your magic ring, go ahead and chain 3. This counts as 1 double crochet. Into the same ring, you're going to make 11 more double crochets. On that note, if I'm going too fast, please go into the settings and slow down this video. Alternatively, you can pause this video. I'd like to also take the time to ask you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated weekly with free tutorials and free patterns just like the one I'm doing now. If you are a returning viewer, you don't have an excuse. Hit subscribe. Right. I think my camera just moved a bit. So this is the 11th one. You're going to pull to close. And now you're going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet that you made, very first one. So this is the 3 chain, this is the double crochet. Row number 1 done. For row number 2, you're going to chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the very same stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. And your pattern for this row is 2 double crochet in each and every stitch right around until you come to the end of your round. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to make a slip stitch again into your first double crochet. For row 3, chain 3. This counts as 1 double crochet. You'll make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Your pattern for this round is 2 double crochet in the next stitch. In the following stitch, 1 double crochet. And you will repeat that right around your entire circle. Two double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. When you get to the end of round 3, please slip stitch into the top of your 3rd chain. For row 4, and this is our last row for this one, you're going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Into the same stitch, please make 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Your repeat for this round is 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, in each of the next 2 stitches. And you're going to repeat that right around your round until you come to the end of that round. At the end of your row, please slip stitch into the very first double crochet, chain 1, cut your yarn. So now we'll work in the tail in a few moments time, but this is the coaster part of it. So you don't necessarily have to do this in yellow. The choice is yours. So if you feel you'd like to do this in a different color, that's fine. You're going to grab your black thread and make a slip knot. In between rows 3 and 4, this line right here, join your yarn, the black thread. The only thing you're going to do is pull it up slightly. Can you see? Just pull it up very slightly. Now we're going to make slip stitches across here, and you need to make 23 in total. So this is 1, and now I'm going to pull it a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and you're going to continue until you hit 20. Once you've made your 23, pull your yarn up and snip. And I'm going to move my tail to the back, where I will work it away when I'm done. For the eye, thread your black yarn onto a darning needle. Very simply, where you started, count 4 double crochet to your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook between the second and third rows. When I pull my yarn, I'm going to grab a piece and hold it to the back. Now, I want my eye as big as my double crochet, and I'm going to go into the bottom, go back into the top, go back into the bottom. So that's one eye. I'm going to do the same thing on the side. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go into that stitch here. And these eyes are making them that they come in a bit evilish eyes. And I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did for the previous eye. The only thing you do is work your tails away at the back when you are completely done or while you are busy. And this is what I've done. And these eyes I've made just a tad bit evilish. Evil. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. But this is the Queen Phoenix saying, enjoy crocheting.